heart, or even breathe deeply while hugging you. This is a clear sign that she feels comfortable, secure, and possibly emotionally attached. It's not just a friendly gesture, it's her way of expressing a deeper bond. This type of hug is very intimate, and if you're the recipient, it means she likely has feelings for you. If you're unsure about how to react, the key is to stay calm and confident. Don't pull away too quickly, and don't force the hug to end. Let the moment linger, and you'll be able to feel if there's a mutual attraction. The longer the hug lasts, the more trust is being built. Use this time to strengthen the connection, perhaps offering a soft compliment or making eye contact to enhance the intimacy. However, don't make the mistake of misreading this type of hug. While it often signals attraction, it can also be a form of reassurance and comfort. If she's experiencing a difficult moment, this kind of hug may be a way for her to feel safe and supported. You should always be mindful of her emotional state and avoid pushing for anything beyond what she's offering in the moment. A hug with a slight press or a kiss on the cheek. This is one of the most definitive signs that there's something more than just friendship happening. If a woman hugs you and lightly presses her body against yours, with a kiss on the cheek or an intentional lingering touch, it's a clear sign of romantic or passionate interest. The way she holds the hug, especially if she keeps her body close to yours for an extended moment, shows she's not just being friendly, she's physically expressing affection and possibly attraction. This is the moment when you need to show you can handle the situation with confidence. Don't be awkward. Don't pull away too soon. Instead, match her energy. Hold her for a second longer than she expects, and let her know, through your response, that you understand the nature of the hug and appreciate the intimacy. A smile, a soft laugh, or a playful comment could keep the mood light and show that you're enjoying the connection. How to respond. So now that we've covered the 4 types of hugs, let's discuss how you should respond to each one. It's not just about understanding the hug, it's about reacting the right way. Here's what you need to keep in mind. For the quick, distant hug, don't overthink it. It's just friendly. But use it as an opportunity to subtly create more tension. Try to engage in deeper, more meaningful conversations afterward. Take note of her body language in future interactions. If she's consistently giving you these types of hugs, it means you need to step up your game and create more chemistry. For the short, firm hug, this is the moment to observe. Hold the hug for a second longer than she expects, and watch for her reaction. If she's smiling, relaxed, and maybe even holding eye contact, it's a green light to pursue further closeness. Confidence is key here. Don't rush things, but make sure she knows you're open to more. For the long, warm hug, here you're in a good position. She's not only feeling comfortable with you, but she's also indicating she's emotionally invested. Take your time. If she's leaning into you, or even resting her head against you, it's her way of saying she trusts you. In this case, slow down and appreciate the moment. You don't need to make any big moves yet, but know that this is a pivotal time in building your connection. For the hug with a press or a kiss, this is the one where you need to show emotional intelligence and confidence. She's clearly attracted to you. Keep your composure and respond with the same energy. Match her level of intimacy without overstepping. A gentle kiss on the cheek in return, or a compliment, could be a perfect response that shows you're in tune with her emotions. The separation occurs in a slow manner, as if she wants to prolong the moment without making it too obvious. Many times, this type of hug is a silent test to see how you respond to physical closeness. If, in addition to the action, you notice that she breathes more slowly, or that her hands lightly grasp your back, it's a clear sign of attraction. At this point, don't pull away immediately. Maintain the contact and accompany it with a gentle touch on her back or waist to intensify the connection. This subtle action can communicate your interest and show her that you're comfortable with the closeness. An intimate hug, this type of hug occurs when she approaches without any reserve, rests her head on your shoulder or neck, and her breathing becomes noticeably deeper. Sometimes, this hug is accompanied by a gentle caress on the back, a whisper near the ear, or even a small pause before completely separating. At this point, attraction is evident. She may not express it directly with words, but her body language is saying everything you need to know. She feels comfortable, protected, and most importantly, attracted. This type of hug is a silent invitation to increase the intimacy. If you notice that she doesn't pull away immediately, take advantage of the moment to look her in the eye and evaluate whether this is the right time to move closer, maybe with a kiss. The key is to respond confidently, but without rushing or showing signs of anxiety or desperation. Remember, a hug with signs of attraction is not just about the physical contact itself. It's about what happens before, during, and after the hug. Everything counts, from the way she approaches you, to how her body reacts in your arms, to how she separates afterward. It's all telling you something. If the hug lasts longer than usual, if her body feels relaxed against yours, or if there's a little extra pressure in the way she wraps her arms around you, these are all signs that she's comfortable with your closeness and is possibly exploring the chemistry between you. At this point, your response should be equally subtle but effective. One way to intensify the connection is with a simple gesture, a subtle touch on the lower back, or a gentle grasp on her waist can make a huge difference. This type of contact generates intimacy without being too obvious or invasive. The key is to do it naturally. Don't make abrupt movements or calculated gestures. It should feel spontaneous. The secret here lies in reading her body language and noticing how she responds to that touch. If, when you place your hand on her back or gently hold her waist, she doesn't pull away, but instead relaxes her posture or leans in closer, it's a clear sign that she enjoys the contact and is open to more interaction. Some women may even react by slightly tilting their head towards you or pressing their body more firmly against yours, which indicates that they feel completely comfortable in that moment of closeness. Another key detail is to observe her reaction when you both start to separate. Often, the hug itself isn't the most important thing. It's what happens right after. If, when releasing her, she holds your gaze for a few seconds, smiles softly, or keeps her body close to yours instead of pulling away immediately, these are clear signs that the hug wasn't just a friendly gesture. Instead, it's a sign of attraction, and she's waiting for your response. This is the crucial moment where many men make the mistake of doing nothing, and thus miss the opportunity to take the connection further. So, the next time a woman hugs you, pay close attention to the details. In that silent gesture, the desire she hasn't yet dared to express with words could be hidden. Thank you for joining us until the end. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, like the video, and share your thoughts in the comments below. We love hearing from you. Until next time, good luck with your relationships. Remember, being present and confident is the key to making meaningful connections. See you soon!